Hey YouTubers, I just got my new kink app yesterday for Christmas, and I'm going to show you what this bike comes with. I've tilted the seat back a bit. It's a Signal Slim, railed, and has well-go pedals, metal with studs in them for grip. Still haven't taken my reflectors off, but I won't bother doing that because on Tuesday when the bike shop opens, I'm buying new Odyssey PC plastic, purple, for it. If you're wondering why my bike is purple and I'm a guy, it's because purple's my favourite colour. Alright, and has Alienation PBR rims. PBR stands for plain black rim. And has 3-piece cranks on it. You can see, big and bulky, but I like that because it makes the bike a bit stronger. Has the stock stem on it, and kink decimal sprocket 25-2. Nice and small. Set driver at the back, 9/2. 2-fingered brake levers. Kink Alpha grips. Kink Midtown 7.75-inch bars. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching.